This is the Vintage Coach Avenue bag, style number 9886. It's in the rare color forest green. It was made in the US, and I would estimate it was most likely from the early 1990s. This is a shoulder bag. It comes with an adjustable strap, and it also comes with the matching one-sided hang tag. It comes with a spring lock closure. So here you would just open the bag by pulling the top spring lock piece, and then you would pull it up again to secure the bag to close the spring lock. Here's what the sides look like, and here's the back. It does have a nice slip pocket along the back of the bag. And when we turn it back over, I'll show you it does have a top handle, which makes it convenient to handle the bag. And then I'll open it again and show you here is a slip pocket under the front flap, and it also comes with a hanging pocket on the inside. It comes with the original tissue paper as well. Here is that hanging zip pocket. Here's where you would open the zipper compartment. It just slides back in like so, and then here you can kind of see the pocket itself. And then I'll try to show you again. Here's where the Creed is stamped along that back pocket. I'll insert a photo as well so you can see it a little bit better. So that is the beautiful Avenue bag. It is available now in our online store, so if you are interested in looking at it further, I will leave the link below, but otherwise, thanks for watching.